everyone. My name is Kwon. My full name is Gunai Kwon. I'm in class 7-6 in Military Secondary School. Today I will talk about Vietnam. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country located on the beach by eastern angle of the Indochinese Peninsula. It shares border with China to the north, Laos and Cambodia to the west, and has a long coastline along the South Chinese to the east. Vietnam is rich and diverse culture shaped by its history, geography, and various ethnic groups. The Vietnamese New Year, known as Tết Nguyên đán, is the most significant holiday, celebrating the arrival of spring, the beginning of the Lunar New Year, traditional such as water puppetry, chow, and chowan, a type of ritual singing, are integral to Vietnamese cultural heritage. Vietnamese cuisine is renowned for its blend of flowers and use of fresh ingredients with dishes like phở, bánh chưng, and various regional specialties. Vietnam is a captivating country that harmoniously blends ancient traditions with modern development. Its vibrant cultures, historical landmarks, and the warmth of its people make it a unique destination. The resilience of hospitality of the Vietnamese are truly admirable. Of the country's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing progress is in spring. Goodbye and see you again.